So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make text all uppercase letters here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie opened up, first off, you have to add some text to your video. So what we're going to do here is add some text to this white background. So to do that, simply just press on the white background, go to the bottom bar and make sure that the T is selected, or the text icon. So go to sort of to the bottom right and press on T. Now add some text to your design. So if you wanted to add just some standard text, for instance, you can go ahead and do that. If you wanted to add some prism text, whatever the case may be there, you can kind of play around with this. We're going to go ahead and actually press on reveal because there is some lowercase letters. Now, as you can tell, it's a little bit tough to read the text because the text is white. So we're going to go ahead and change the color here, press on the color wheel. And how about we were to change the text to like a bluish color? How about like a blue right there? There you go. There's the text. Now, if you wanted to make sure that all the letters are uppercase, it's pretty straightforward. So we're just basically played around with the color wheel. Right beside that on the right, there is 3 dots with a circle. Simply just press on that. Now for options, it says style, text, shadow, and uppercase. As of right now, uppercase is turned off, but if you wanted to make this all uppercase, go ahead and press on that, and there you go. You've now changed the title to all uppercase letters here in iMovie. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can make text all uppercase letters here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.